The results have been astounding, and obviously we're in the M&A business too, supporting that function. Mm-hmm. You have been forever. Mm-hmm. Rarely do you see somebody pull off at this level success so consistently. Mm-hmm. Everything you guys have done has touched, really turned to gold for the most part. And made it look easy. And we know it's know it's not easy.
I routinely read a lot of blog posts. The middlemarket.com is a favorite of mine. And I've seen so many senior level private equity founders and managing partners make mention of the importance of data and the digitalization of operations, right? In fact, I just read recently, it was one of the founding partners of Oak Hill Capital, Jay Taylor Crandall, I think his name is. He made mention that as he reflects back on history, historically the data wasn't available.
That's right.
Now, there's some truth to that. It's probably not that it wasn't available. It was there.
Difficult to get to.
Right. We didn't build portals or channels to get it, and we didn't create data from data. Now we're creating data from data, right?
Yeah, that's right.
So with artificial intelligence and machine learning, we're creating insights as a result of the relationships of all of these data elements. Yeah. So our thing is, and what we've been looking at doing and are doing since we launched our digital transformation strategy in January 2019 is, creating wisdom from knowledge, from information, from data.
Right.
And we've made a lot of success. We've had a lot of success in doing that throughout the last couple of years through the platforms that we've implemented, like Adobe, Azure, and our data lake and analytics platforms, right. Databricks. And so we are actually doing what we sought out to do back in January 19, and that is, creating knowledge from information from, the data that we have available.
Yeah.
And, I always hear from our board and our my C-level colleagues, you got to keep it simple, right? Because the acquired companies, this is kind of new to them, this whole idea of data, information, knowledge, wisdom. And the messaging can certainly be simple. I can message simple. Behind the scenes, and
it's rocket science.
Yes, data normalization and cleansing, bronze, silver, gold, to get to a data schematic or a data pool, if you will, lake. Estate is the new term, right? Data estate. To get to that is not an easy endeavor.
No.
But we've got good people and support of the C-suite and the board to bring our data to life, if you will, and create these insights that allow our operators to make not only monthly decisions, but weekly and daily decisions to pivot as necessary.
How much do you think, what you're doing is make a difference with certainly getting the market to you, right? Mm-hmm. Bringing the market, especially in developing areas. How much is it that, or is it offering, like what to offer or what to promote? Where's the magic coming from that your CMO is really targeting?
So I think one of the things that we've been pretty successful at is identifying who our top X number of customers are in certain trades. Meaning we've got this is what the top customer looks like from a data profile in terms of engagement and transactions on the HVAC side, on the plumbing side, on the electrical side. I mean, ultimately, we want to be able to offer, we do offer all of those trades in most of our brands, but we want customers to, we want our electrical customers to buy our plumbing services and our plumbing customers to buy our HVAC services. And, we have mined that data and created hypotheses around who are our best customers. Are they people born on Tuesday with purple hair? That's the analogy that I use, and I think it's been reused by many in the organization. So, we're looking for people that were born on Tuesday and have purple hair because they have bought 3 trades from us. And oh, by the way, they just bought memberships, as well. And so we want to be able to target those folks with the things that we do. They may not even know we have plumbing services.
That's right.
They just know that their air conditioner went out. It was 110 degrees and they needed someone fast.
That's right.
And so they called us, and Hopefully we did a good job for them so that when they hear about our plumbing services or our electrical service and that need surfaces for them, they think of Morris Jenkins or Cool Ray in Atlanta or Parker and Sons in Phoenix.